First, we found a 1968 Cadillac Eldorado, priced at $1,300. It has a 429 CI V8 engine with front-wheel drive. The master cylinder is missing. No ownership documents. The trunk floor needs repair. Additionally, the 1968 Cadillac Eldorado is one of the iconic models from its classic era. This car is also known for its unique front-wheel drive, which was unusual for American cars at that time, offering you a different driving experience. The second project is a 1977 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $4,500. One of the last big luxury muscle cars, very rare. All original, runs and operates smoothly, matching numbers 400 automatic transmission. Fully loaded, mostly original, even the paint. Interior almost perfect, but the radio is missing. Original snowflake rims, needs rust repair, and the half vinyl top needs fixing. Restore this car and you'll be proud to drive it anywhere. Might consider an interesting trade offer. This car combines power in a way rarely found in modern vehicles. It has great potential to become a valuable collector's item after a proper restoration. The third project is a 1979 Pontiac Parisen, priced at $2,100. It has a 350 engine. It runs but needs a new cam. A good candidate for an LS engine swap, comes with hubcaps and fender skirts. The underside is in good condition as it has been rust-proofed, but there is some rust on the body. The owner is open to trading for a cargo van. This is a unique opportunity for you to modify it with a more modern LS engine, providing enhanced performance and efficiency. This car could be an exciting project with current engine technology. The fourth project is a 1958 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $5,000. It is complete but needs a full restoration. It has an engine and transmission, last ran about 5 years ago. This is a highly sought-after model due to its classic design. With proper restoration, this could be a valuable investment and attract attention at various classic car shows. The purchase link is in the video description. The fifth project is a 1963 Cadillac Coupe Deville, priced at $3,600. It has 2 doors, a hardtop, a 390 engine, and an automatic transmission. It's looking for a new owner. Bring a trailer because this car is not running. It comes with wheel covers. Additionally, this is one of the highly coveted classic models. With proper restoration, this car can become a gem on the road and a valuable collection. The sixth project is a 1967 Bowmont Post 2-door, priced at $4,800. It has clear ownership and title. GM documents state it is one of 565 units made. Very rare. The frame and shell are solid, but there is some rust on the quarter panels and one section of the trunk floor needs replacing. Originally had separate bench seats, but the car can be purchased with bucket seats and a console, as well as the engine and transmission if desired. This 1967 Bowmont is highly sought after by collectors due to its rarity and distinctive design. It has great potential to be a satisfying restoration project and a valuable investment in the future. The seventh project is a 1979 Lincoln Continental sedan, priced at $2,100. It has 100,000 kilometers, 2 doors, and a 460 engine. It needs a water pump installed, which is already available. The car runs and drives, symbolizing luxury from the late 70s era, with distinctive design and outstanding driving comfort. After necessary repairs, this car can become an impressive and classy vehicle. The eighth project is a 1968 Oldsmobile Delta 88, priced at $3,600. This car can run, drive, handle, and stop well, but it needs a bit of maintenance to become a great cruiser. Highlights include well-functioning headlights and high beams, a smoothly running engine, a smooth TH400 transmission, a beautiful and comfortable interior, well-working brakes, and functioning smoker windows. The drawbacks include a severe exhaust leak, one power window that occasionally doesn't work, non-working signals, and some bodywork needed. With a little effort, this car has great potential to be a stunning classic vehicle. The ninth project is a 1962 Mercury Meteor sedan, priced at $2,100. It has 90,000 kilometers. This vehicle has a loose radiator and a hanging starter, with a new starter included. All parts are still in the car, but the front floor is rusted and there's no gas tank. It comes with a set of tires that can hold air and can be towed. The 10th project is a 1967 Mercury Cougar, priced at $5,000. This is a rare project car found with a 289 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The engine runs well. It's a bargain or best offer from you. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to watch our other videos too. Project 11, a 1962 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $5,000. It features a 390 V8 engine, C6 automatic transmission, power brakes, short cast iron 406 headers, 2.5, Flowmaster exhaust, and a 9-inch rear axle with a 2.75 gear ratio for the highway. The engine runs well, but the paint is not perfect. However, you can drive it right away. Project 12, a 1959 Edzel Ford, priced at $3,200. It has 4 doors. This car is not running and needs some repairs. Unfortunately, I don't have enough time to work on this beautiful vehicle. You can take the opportunity and enjoy this classic car. Project 13, a 1965 Valiant, priced at $3,600. It has a restored V8 engine, 2 doors, and is very rare. All original parts, sir. Project 14, a 1966 Ford Galaxy, priced at $3,200. It has 2 doors, it has an engine but no transmission. There is some rust on the frame. It has a mileage of 12,000 kilometers, which is quite a lot. If interested, you can check the description. Project 15, a 1957 Dodge Regent, priced at $5,000. This car is still running and in good condition, although there is some rust on the bottom of the rear fender, a cracked windshield, and 1 broken taillight. Powered by a 361 P03 big block engine and equipped with a push-button automatic transmission. This is a good opportunity to own a classic vehicle with strong character. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.